In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best racing simulator cockpits in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. If you ever wanted to shift between GT and F1 racing positions without wasting much time, this is your best option. One of the major disadvantages of using a cockpit simulator is that it eats up lots of space and ends up making you so furious. Fortunately, the makers of FGT Lite thought of that and designed a space-saving racing simulator. You can fold it up and keep it under your bed. It supports all accessories and consoles so that you can only focus on your gaming. You can easily get in and out of the FGT with ease thanks to its ergonomic design. There is one minor issue with it, though. You can only adjust the vertical angle of the steering wheel, not the horizontal one, which makes it difficult for tall people. The seat is amply designed to support extended hours of gaming and has an excellent reclining angle. The FGT Lite is optimally priced at around $320, while being suitable for beginners and pro gamers alike. Number 4. SR Advanced Sim Racing Cockpit. Virtual Experience 3.0 is one of most successful cockpits designed to date, and now with the update to version 3.0, it is even more complete. It features rock-solid carbon steel construction on the chassis, and a racing pattern seat without having discomfort as in real bucket seat, built for several hours of play. It has adjustable seat mounting, adjustable pedal plate and wheel dick plate. The cockpit comes complete with all the accessories available that includes TV stand with back tray to place your computer or console, an incredible trinket holder to support your cell phone, wallet, joysticks and remote controls, in addition to an additional gear shifter, handbrake mount and mouse tray, and also the articulated keyboard tray, all with comfort and organization in mind for our clients. This cockpit features construction that has been manufactured with extreme precision for a very stability sim racing experience. With no flex technology, this cockpit will take the abuse from hard racing. Number 3. Built durably to support direct drive wheels and professional pedal setups, the Next Level Racing NLR S009, or the GT Track, is the best premium option for racing simulator cockpits on the market. The frame, or the chassis, of this driving simulator cockpit is made from carbon steel, so it's rugged and durable. The wheel deck is angle and height adjustable, while seat distance and angle can be modified for the perfect fit via the seat slider. Imported PU leather makes up the material of the simulator seat itself, while pre-drilled holes allow for compatibility with the most notable simulation brands in the industry. It should be noted that this sim rig is compatible with lockable caster wheels, a gear shifter mount, a gear shifter, handbrake support, butt kicker adapter, and 4-point racing harness. The Next Level Racing NLR S009 had received over 350+ customer reviews on Amazon. A large number of reviewers praise the movability of this racing simulator cockpit and how nice it is to easily move it from room to room. Many reviewers also mention the rigidity of the rig itself. Number 2. Playseat was the first brand to patent foldable simulator cockpits. And this Playseat Challenge is arguably the most portable racing simulator cockpit on the list, as you can easily fold it and place it under your car's back seat or bed. Its design takes inspiration from a beach chair. The plastic pivots make the chair extremely light at just 28 pounds. You can just fold it and carry it without breaking a sweat. The steering wheel mount is on a crossbar fitted to the seat, and pedals are mounted at the bottom to a separate frame. The USP of the chair is the seating position, as it is immensely comfortable and well suited for prolonged gaming. The lightweight chair opens the door for some flaws. As you might have guessed, it may not handle healthier individuals weighing in over the 200 pounds mark. You also cannot use just about any third-party accessory if they are slightly bulkier than the setup. Fortunately, it supports most of the standard accessories, so unless you are going for unconventional ones, you're good to go. The easy-to-store cheap racing simulator costs just above $250 without the accessories. Number 1. The Oppenwheeler Gen 2 is a cockpit that goes above and beyond to offer the best gaming experience within your budget. It consists of a sturdy stainless steel frame meticulously designed to handle long hours of gaming. The frame rests on rubber pads so that your floors are scratch-free. The front part of the structure had rubber casters with built-in brakes to maintain a continuous reclined position while gaming. The seat itself is surprisingly comfortable, as rated by most users, and it is sufficiently recline-able to suit gamers of different heights and builds without undermining the ergonomics. The chassis too consists of a steering wheel and pedal mount that can be adjusted to suit any height. It also has some flaws, and you can't go for the heel-and-toe technique as the steering wheel is not up for it. There is a high possibility of unwittingly yanking out the wires or stamping them while using a VR. Adjusting pedals can be a tad challenging as the steering wheel also moves with it. However, the benefits outweigh the flaws, and you get a well-engineered racing simulator cockpit for under $400. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.